Imagine a hotel so futuristic, it was built off-site and shipped to a pristine island without touching a single coral. That's Shebara Resort, Saudi Arabia's Red Sea masterpiece, opened in 2024. But here's the crazy part. How do you create a luxury paradise in the middle of nowhere, powered entirely by solar, and still keep it eco-perfect? Today, we're giving you the full scoop on this eco-luxury haven, how it was built, what you'll find, and what it'll cost to live this dream. Stick around because this place is next level. Shabara's on Shebara Island, 25 kilometers off Saudi Arabia's coast in the Al Waj Lagoon. You'll get there by a 30-minute seaplane ride or a 45-minute boat trip from Turtle Bay. Both feel like the opening scene of a Bond flick. Opened in November 2024 by Red Sea Global, this resort is a Vision 2030 gem, blending Saudi hospitality with jaw-dropping design. Think 73 villas, 38 overwater orbs, and 35 beachfront retreats crafted by Killa Design, the architects behind Dubai's Museum of the Future. These orbs, made of polished stainless steel, reflect the sea and sky like a string of pearls, practically vanishing into the horizon. Want to know the wild part? To protect the island's mangroves and coral reefs, every villa was built off-site in Sharjah, UAE, and shipped in like futuristic Lego pieces. It's powered by a solar farm with over 11,000 panels, making it off-grid and zero waste. No construction records were broken, but it's a sustainability flex that'll make eco-warriors swoon. What's waiting for you? Overwater villas, starting at 248 square meters, come with infinity pools, outdoor showers, and beds so plush you'll forget what a bad night's sleep is. Beachfront villas nestle in the dunes, with views that'll have you ditching your shoes to feel the sand. The Royal Villa Ensemble, with a private yacht dock, is your I own an island moment, perfect for groups or a lavish escape. Dining's a vibe. Ariamar, led by Michelin-starred chef Marco Garfagnini, serves Mediterranean dishes that hit like a warm sea breeze. Ikiro's Japanese Nikkei fusion is a flavor explosion, while Seria's Levantine grill by the family pool is all chill. The spa's 5 treatment rooms, outdoor cabanas, and vitality pool are your ticket to Zen, and the gym's lap pool is a post-workout dream. Love adventure? The Red Sea's reefs are a diver's paradise. Think colorful corals and shy reef sharks. You can snorkel, dive, windsurf, or zip around on an e-motor water toy. Kids get a cloud-themed club with tiny toilets. Yes, even the little ones live in style. Want to level up? Take a guided reef tour or catamaran lesson. It's like the ocean's begging you to explore. Now, the cost. Overwater villas start at 2,000 Saudi riyals, or $530 per night, while the Royal Villa Ensemble can hit 15,000 Saudi riyals, or $4,000. Kids under 12 stay free. Over 12, it's 1,500 Saudi riyals extra per night. There is no alcohol, Saudi's dry, but the mocktails are so good you won't care. Is it worth it? Time magazine named Shabara a 2025 World's Greatest Place, and guests rave about the pristine reefs and sunsets that feel like a painting. Some gripe about the price or the trek to get there, but the Hafawa hospitality, Saudi's warm, generous welcome, makes it feel like home. Service is still fine-tuning as expected for a new resort, but the staff's heart is all in. Shabara is not just a hotel, it's a glimpse into luxury's future, where sustainability meets sci-fi chic. Would you splurge to stay in a floating orb? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more travel gems. See you on the Red Sea.